right? So I'm inside my ad account. Before we get started, thing that you require a website. You are required to install a pixel code to your website, and obviously you need an ad account. So now let's click on campaign and its conversion, right? So let's set this name as lead generation, and I specifically prefer putting date. So this is how I would like to rename my campaigns. It's easier for me to keep track of them then, right? Start with campaign budget optimization. Only $5 budget, because this budget has worked for me all the time. And click on continue. Okay, so now inside the ad level, I'm going to rename my ad set name. Now it's asking me to select a pixel. Since I have multiple pixels, I'm going to add this ad account, and I'm going to select a conversion event. To give you guys an overview, I've got different conversion events that are active, like view content, add to cart, leads, get a code. This is a custom conversion that I created, right? Search, initiate checkout, purchase, and now there are some conversions that are inactive. So you can either click on lead, but instead I prefer creating a new custom conversion, right? If you guys want add to carts, if you're selling anything online, you can click on add to carts. If you want people to purchase items on your website, you can go for purchase, right? Right now I would have gone for lead, but specific for this I created get a code. This is a lead specific because this is a custom conversion that I created that assured me that the traffic is coming on the correct web page, right? So I'm going to click on create a new custom conversion, right? And this is exactly what you guys need to do. Let's select the website event. You want this to be a lead, right? And now over here, click on equal, and you need to add the URL of the web page, right? So previously, I'm going to show you the exact same conversion that I've used before, right? So all you guys need to do is need to enter the link of the page where you need to drive traffic to generate the lead. Now mostly this is a contact form. So here's a small preview of the page that I set up for my client, right? This is a simple form that the customer needs to fill in, right? And there are other additional details that the person could follow. I've taken this link and I'm putting it over here, right? This is the link of the website, and then / get code, right? So this is the URL. This is the place where I need to put on my URL. Now you can name this conversion. You can put your client's name, or for one specific ad account. This is one ad account that I only use for this client, right? And you can just click on create. So I've already done this, so it's not available. So you guys need to click on create and your custom conversion would be created. Now speaking about myself, you can see that this was the custom conversion that I created, right? Get a code lead. Similarly, whatever the name of your conversion would be, it's gonna show up over here, right? So just keep it really simple. My conversion name was get a code lead, right? So this is what I did, and this is all on website, right? So I'm gonna go down. You can see that this is the part where I need to select my audience. So if you remember the campaign that I showed you previously, I have already created one of my audience, and I'm only going to target them, right? Who have already been buying something online, right? So I'm going to go ahead and type in engaged shoppers, right? This is the behavior. These are people who are buying things online, right? And similarly, click on suggestions. You can see that there are other options that Facebook is already providing, right? So depending upon your business, you need to enter all this information. If you know who your customer is, you can definitely target them. But if it's a new campaign, I'd suggest that you don't put any age barrier and see what kind of results you're getting after you spend around $20, right? And depending upon that data, after analyzing that data, you can make changes to your ad. And obviously there's this part of location, depending upon where you are. I'm going to target specific city. It's Karachi. It could be in whole province, right? Our target, this is whole province with multiple cities, and you can see that this is a really big number, around 9 million audience. So automatically Facebook is going to find people who would be more interested in my ad, right? I could just put in my keywords and tell them who to find, right? If you're creating a new audience, do save it. It's gonna save a lot of time in future. Let the placements be automatic. Trust me, this works. So let it be automatic, right? Just like I showed you earlier, there are other options that you could optimize for, but the conversions are recommended. And you can see a small preview of the Facebook ad, small preview that's over here, right? So the customer is coming through a funnel and getting things done, right? So don't make things complicated for yourself, even if you're doing it for the first time. I'm explaining it to you really slow and really easy. So don't panic and let me know if you guys have any questions.